Hi guys, in this review I'll be diving into the world of pet tech with a review of the Petgugu 2-litre cat water fountain. I'm excited to see if this sleek hydration station is the perfect solution for your furry friends' water needs. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. The Petgugu 2-litre cat water fountain isn't just a pretty addition to your home, it's packed with features designed to keep your pet healthy and hydrated. From its minimalist design to its advanced filtration system, there's a lot to love about this fountain. So stick around as we explore how it can elevate your pet's hydration game. In the box, you get a small paper instruction manual, a wall adapter to power the fountain, a water filter, the charging base, its water container, and the top of the fountain with the wireless water pump pre-attached. It's also worth pointing out that the box can also be turned into a cat bed, just as long as your cat is small enough to fit inside it. So first up, let's talk about the design. The Petgugu fountain features a sleek and practical design with a mix of clear and white plastic that gives it a much more modern aesthetic. It's compact enough to sit comfortably on the floor, and the added weight that the water gives within its container helps keep it stable, even with the most enthusiastic pets. Now let's talk about the fountain's most standout feature, the continuous waterfall effect. Not only does it provide a refreshing drink for your pet, but it also helps keep the water clean and free from debris. Plus it operates whisper quietly, which makes it a perfect water fountain for shared spaces as well as open plan living. Another thing I liked about this fountain is its wireless water pump. It not only increases the oxygen in the water, but it also eliminates the hassle of dealing with tangled power cables when filling the water fountain back up. The only cable that you'll find is the lead that connects to the base of the fountain and wirelessly powers the pump through inductive charging, which means there's simply no risk from electrocuting your furry friend. With 8 layers of filtration within its bundled filter, this fountain removes 99.9% of bacteria, ensuring that your pet always has access to fresh, clean water. Plus the entire fountain is made from food grade ABS material, so you can rest easy knowing that your pet's drinking water is totally safe. The installation and maintenance of the water fountain is super easy thanks to its simple design and easy to clean components. With so few parts, you can have this fountain set up and ready to go in no time. And when it's time to clean, you simply disassemble the components and give them a quick rinse before filling the water fountain back up again. The fountain's base monitors the weight of the water container, and this helps inform you of your pet's drinking habits and its water levels, all inside its Wi-Fi connected smartphone app. The Petgugu water fountain connects to your home network, and its smartphone app allows you to monitor water levels and track your pet's hydration habits with ease, even without being at home. You can even receive reminders for when it's time to replace the water, as well as clean the filter. Plus the app can be shared with family members so that everyone can keep track of your pet's water intake. The Petgugu 2-litre cat water fountain retails for $159.99, £79.99 currently on Amazon on sale, down from £159.99. And it also retails for €179.99 on sale on Amazon EU. And you can check out my links down below to learn more about this cat water fountain, support the channel and buy yourself one. Whilst my own cat may prefer the allure of water from my own kitchen tap, there's no denying it that the quality and innovation behind this fountain. If your cat does take to it or it has used a water fountain before, it could be a complete game changer for their hydration routine. Setting up the fountain was super easy, and using it along with its smartphone app was just as easy too. With so few components, it was super easy to rinse, clean and fill up the water container as and when it needed to. And its noise is definitely whisper quiet. I honestly couldn't hear it once it's operating. And you do have 2 extra modes. The first is a continuous waterfall effect, and the second is that it will run for 30 seconds and then pause for 3 minutes. To create less flow of water, should your cat prefer less movement in the water, whilst also refreshing the water each time. It is a little bit pricey compared to other cat water fountains, but its looks, its whisper quiet operation does justify its price. But do keep an eye out for those Amazon sales. Snagging this fountain at half price is an opportunity you wouldn't want to miss. And that wraps up my review for the Petgugu 2-litre cat water fountain. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech reviews and pet-friendly content. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, stay hydrated, both you and your furry friends. Cheers. Bye.